Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi. Isato chiabono mogoroba litko lya Jumapili mwanchumu ligelia sende nogo semelenga nogenza kobago ko bwatemero beliyo ya itokurwa keto kirachinga kibonechi okorgania senchira yobo ikiranto nyara ko batoko sangamo na nyara ko bago komanyanga nyara ko baga gwatse ko baterana mona baliki baito bamangana amaye habagenda ko bakobusara chinsemo sekerenga yo konekia katonyara ko batoko sangamo na ase obo ikirano togenda lengurana ndase kagitari getambe tonyara ko ba atokumanya nyara ko baga gwatse. Wetrasemi mitandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, na boigo wetrase website www.ndizitv.net na boko ya bwatia ya monemero beri utaganza kwa batu kwa rigani chinse merongo ebiri na nyama tukatano na bere ye wiki nsamo ya kabere habigali ya nchamane rogento kwa bakonike chibicha hamonelio kichago chira senchira yobo ikarano hiria nengoro kwa Josephat Hamesi. Hotoko ya chaka ama ya chisa isato chabono bo tukoli tukule Jumapili ni gobono umugabano we county ya Kisipo Simbarati. Nyalile koba gako enekia buna na chikoba so mostali motu heli kwa enekia nyalile koba gako buatania egesa kukia omogusibu na enchire yamo jabarabuo kubuaterana amuna barai heliyo kwa enekia wanyalile koba wikirani ya chira chamagendrogo kwa na asomego yomobo matanga. Rati nigo atabire ngata nyalire ko bagosenale no bosi bole bwo gukora mbali okoboko na wikirana onye county ya Nyamira senchira ya moyo ko rotota abarayebo na kobekana amo hasekerenga kelianga abagusibonsi asebabeta banyara ko bagwikarani gwa monechira cyamagendera
kikinde nincho monogelwo mugusi ose ninche bono nkomekyo abantu wetu bakiramu na ninche deputy party leader ya ODM ebyashara byane nokorra abantu wetu bakiramu twarosirigesa kukyabere moyo namanda aroskurunka ndosi Kisi ndosi Nyamira ndosi Omabe Migori before tutaragenda isko teko baboy okuna kugo sabakwane ngaba MCM okumi ninche muhuri mu government mwakanyaribo tojiche tukwane ndole binte byakorre Nyamira mbuguri nanje birina korre byake Kisi abuguri torosegesa kugeto kabe moyo na kansa yeli ne egweita bwango chikansa neki nyinge kire kana yeli ni neroro yabasacha prostate cancer yabangene cervical cancer yorobere ekoroku breast cancer na nyempoki yemionero engenjo tokoragira endagira yeito nkogerere ngakitoko menye myake ngani ngaki kale no ne bitumekero bya engosme kwa karumonta gesire obeka kiage embeyanya wake gento gikoro kumwescha yagenda liberera lyagenda amatuka lero ngati moko gesa mwanekera mwaliogo mwabeke bunibwate gendo ke bisakara balibo liberera linara liligochi nga yamanya korosie sumwe koroku aflatoxin
Toska mote nero mokonyi bomora ibenseri gadiga shagwa nigo atabire naro ya yugo kwa na eken nero ya nyalire koba gekomore terera gutwara obobisa hamo negati yabarai abagena tokoba bago suguma umoswada bwo kumurusia abisigo kwa nalitwara rero magayo wikirana somo yegabwa masabo ase kanisa ya Methodist Church of Kenya ase county ya Meru nigo Gachagua nyarekobaga kogendera korariangana chikobaga kogendera amona Emeru belio hiya nyarete koba igakwegwa amona Bakenya likwene kiabuna banyarekoba bagoikerwa mu Emeru beli ao ya magendero gatia bohesegi yokurwania okoni wanu bonyogwa bo marwa tanchiri nabo igo gosira abaremi nakweneke banyarekoba kwenyorera engeri isaine kurwa ase Emeru beli yabo yobole minigo boiganya koba kubole kanisa nyarekoba gekumunyora samasabo chinga kigenda tokoba gwetera amako
hasa ya kuongea ukweli. Mimi zile shida zote unaona nikipitia ni kwa sababu mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli. And I did not know that many people have a problem with the truth. So nakuta watu wengi sana wako na shida na mambo ya ukweli. Sasa mimi niliumbwa namna hiyo. Mungu amenifunza na kuniongoza kuwa nikisema ukweli. Na kwa hivyo katika harakati za uongozi, saa ingine tukisimama na ukweli, wengine hawapendi, lakini tutaendelea tu kusimama na ukweli kwa sababu hiyo ndio ile Mungu anataka. Hapa katika Meru tumejaribu sana mambo ya kupigana na pombe na madawa za kulevya because of our children, and there has been great success. Of late nimeona hii pombe imeanza kurudi. I want to ask our security officers to make sure that the gains we have made in the fight against illicit brews and drugs does not go to waste, because it was a big effort. Na watoto wetu hasa vijana walikuwa wamepotelea kwa pombe. Kuna kazi mingi sana tumefanya hapa Meru na kwingineko ya kahawa, majani chai na maziwa, and I really want to thank the people of Meru for being very hardworking. The Meru Dairy Cooperative Society is the best run society in Kenya, na inatoa maziwa mingi sana na kusaidia wakulima. Wanalipa wakulima before the 5th of every month. It is my hope that sanity will prevail. We tone down on politics of division, siasa ya kumalizana, siasa ya furugu. Tufanyie watu ya Kenya kazi, kwa sababu tulichaguliwa miaka 2 peke yake na hatujafanya ile kazi ambayo wananchi wanatarajia tufanye. Tungetaka tuombe tupunguze maneno mingi, zote tushikane, tufanyie wa Kenya kazi, kwa sababu hawa Kenya walituchagua wakiwa na matumaini makubwa sana, na hawakutuchagua tupigane, turumbane, tupanganie, tukue na maneno ambayo haifai.
Tuguskar mutwenero murai bwa ikema kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka niganyare kobagwe sokena kwa mochia serikali yasigalia tabire nigegendete kobage kobasiekerera hegati yababwatani bokuronera obwene bwa mayabantu bagendete kobagwe sokena kwa mochia serikali gukwana chinga kichumu yaga bwa masabo ase kanisa ya Moime ya Kitengela he county ya Machakos. Kalonzo nigo aboliria serikali nyare kobage kobeka chinguru chia ye no mokia omonene kweneke buna nyare kobege wikirani chira cha magendero cha sawa Kenya.
Imepata ujasiri pia. Adjudicate on the future of our nation with dedication. We appeared when Jimmy Wanjigi was taken to court. And in fact, in the case of Bob Njagi, tulikuwa na yeye Kamukunji police station tukimwangalia mambo, nalikuwa na wakili mwenzangu Eugene Wamalo, and we went there to make sure that Jimmy was not molested and that he was produced in court promptly. It was when he was leaving Kamukunji that he was abducted out of a matatu at Mlolongo. No wonder the guilty are afraid. Bishop, ya nini kuleta police Land Rovers leo Kitengela na Mlolongo? It's a shameful act. This is not the nation that the founders of this country, the forefathers, envisaged. And therefore, they are running away from diversionary. We are looking at this as a diversionary aspect. A government that obviously has failed, and the blame game continuing. Mheshimiwa Mamai, nakushukuru. Wewe ni Azimio. I want to suggest mambo ya Kenya kwanza kule kwa bunge, let them wanyoroshane huko. But because they are going to tell us a lot, we want them to tell us a lot more, so that the country can be free. Lakini msio watu patiwa shilingi 100,000 unaweka sahihi.
Egati yabarai boiga banyarako bagwikirana se omoyega oyobwa masabo no moteneriwe kiama DP Kenya yugini wa malwa na boigo jerema kioni umuriki omonene bekiama gia Jubilee ase wa malwa anyarire koba igagoteba nigo bagenda tokoba koeroberia boikirano kubwaterana muna babwatani bo kwegerera lichiko bunenchera eyemo yokwene kiabuna abagendere koba bagosiekero mone serikali banyare koba bakonyora obosi bole bwabo nigo boigo atebire mbachiko bakwene kibabwateranire amone kigambero keria kiabo mobwa aorogongo rwa Afrika nensenki ma ICC lekwene kiabuna anene serikali ya Kenya yatigera no moroberio bwo babwata no ko babisa hegati yabali bagenda to bakurwanira kwene bo banyabantu.
In the High Court here, E42 of 2023, our lawyer Paul Ndungu has been to court, Paul Mwangi. We had mentioned last month, and we will be going back to court in November to follow up for justice for the 75 victims of police brutality of the Finance Bill 2020. Finance Bill before was even worse. That's when our young people, the Gen Zs, came out. Over 60 were killed. Very many have been abducted. Families can't. And we do remember when Jagi and his disappeared. The police denied that they did not have them. It's until the IG or police acting IG, Masengeli, was taken to court on the day that he was to be sent to prison, that these young people were released. Some were dumped in Kiambu, others elsewhere. And we do also recall the young president of the School of Law, Okayo. His Excellency Kalonzo led us to a meeting with his family. He was also abducted in a similar manner. Apart from the Nyayo chamber tortures that were closed, the police have created a tone to pursue this matter, not just in our courts here, of efforts to get justice for families here. We are also in the process of pursuing this matter internationally. And we did, through our lawyer Paul Mwangi, commence proceedings at the ICC, and we will be pursuing this matter both locally and globally. Because, as His Excellency has said, human rights are universal, and we will not accept this reign of terror by Ruto and his rogue police.
Toska mote na boigo egati yabamenyi korwa ase anene korwa se county ya Meru nigo banyareko baba gwesokia na kumubolia gose kobeka chira kubolia serikali nyareko bagekobeka omukiabo goikerenie chira cha amagendro asensemo eyo igwanyareko baba kobolia boigo gose kumubolia moraigwense nyareko bagago tugutera ale anene amaberera akisiasa yagene tukoba kweneke wa serikali batebire nago mochora oyore omwaziri bubulendi boimeki tore kindiki koba omonogari obo bigo komo bolie banyala koba okore mireme mekero naso bwange kigima amono murayibese Dr. William Ruto.
Sisi tunaomba Wakenya wote tuungane pamoja, tuungane na rais wetu, tuungane na Profesa Kindiki na mawaziri wengine, tufanyie wananchi kazi. Kama ni barabara tutengeneze, kama ni maji tulete, mambo yote tutengeneze pamoja tukiwa katika serikali ya William Samoei Ruto. Yes. Sisi hatuna haja ya siasa ya mlima, mgawanyiko, sijui sisi ni wa watu fulani ambao wanasema sisi ni shareholders. Sisi sio shareholders wa mtu yeyote. Sisi tulichagua Rais William Ruto kwa yari moja akuja atufanyie kazi, na hiyo miaka imebaki 3 ndio tukuje tupige kura ya 2027. Tunaomba rais ukishirikiana na waziri wako Profesa Kithure Kindiki, endelea kutufanyia kazi. Sisi tuko imara na tuko na wewe, na tunaomba wewe Mheshimiwa Rais endelea kusupport Profesa Kithure Kindiki, aendelee kutufanyia kazi.
Nataka kuambia wao wengine viongozi wanazunguka hapa, sisi hatutaki siasa, tunataka maendeleo. Na tunasimama tukisema Kindiki Profesa siku zote. Na tunataka maendeleo. Na sio siasa. So we want to hand them, we are not about the politics, but we are now standing here and we want the development.
Tokoska moto asintundendeni go omonchorelia Jimmy Wanjigi asokire na komocha serikali askari atabire ni go bugima bwaye bugenda takoba bokogo serili gwa secintunda yure bono nigo anyaleko bagakonekia egali tamanyiri anyalakobage kobwatia egali yaye nabuigo abarengeime bakamotanga buna enchereyemo yogotaka komogoserelia obugima bwaye asebwangoiga niga ichane ile boiga gakora kia bantu batamanyiri banyalete ko bagwikirana asege itakiaye ase amenyete na boigogo itera amanyinga hayo ekerenga kiaye getamanyiri gwikira boniga.
They blocked a car that had just dropped me somewhere, just on this road of Muthaiga. And you know what they did? They blocked the car. 2 Subarus blocked that car, and they threw eggs at the windscreen. Today, last night, they've come here, the same vehicles, and they have poured blood at my gate. This is every single day they are doing this. We are trying to be as evasive as possible. But what I want to tell you is that we are not intimidated, neither me or my family. Others have faced worse things. We are going to now a church service to commemorate a Thanksgiving for Bob Jage and the 2 Longton twins who were inside for 1 month.
Toska motwe ni gobono egati yabamenye kurwa sensemo ya wajil bagendere ko babakwe murunganeria ebikorwa bya egati yabamenye kurwa sensemo yo bagendete ko babago sagana chinsana nako na cha emete kolengana na barabo ni go batabire okoirera okuguko na chemete okogendete ko bakonekia omora kera sensemo yo asebo igobanyare ko bakomocha ekambi yabatami yegendere ko bego ba sensemo yo abatami abo bagendete ko baba somo stale motwe asoko na cha chinsana echiri banyara ko bago chitumi habuna chingo.
What is the government? What is the government doing? What is the Minister of Environment? What is the KWS? Why are they looking at these problems and we are facing?
We appeal to the government to do something about this. We appeal to the relevant ministries and the ministers to try and intervene. You can see the level of destruction in our counties. You know, our wildlife is being decimated. Poaching is fueled by desperate conditions in the refugee camps. It's not just a crisis of humanity, it's also a crisis of conservation.
There's been absolutely no support coming from the UNHCR and other organizations taking care of the refugees, some of them buying the fuel wood that's been obtained from Wajir South through massive deforestation by the refugees, and we are not going to accept any longer. We are taking matters into our own hands now. Our communities have been sensitized enough.
Umwaziri wechinse chi Afrika ya mocha Beatrice Askuli nigo aburirie okoba woko bwaterano go ikirano gati ya bamenyi anene kurwa sorongo rwa North Rift ase county ya West Pokot monabo bisabo bolindi gusabanya nyimbo eliokora ebikoro nagokea ni bikoro byo bwibwe tugo gokwana chinga kenyara ko bakole taro ya benego chiase county eyo asomoro bilio boko igora egati yemero bilio yamagandro gati ya bogosi oli moro bilio bwa okoena na amache ase county yo nigo askola tabire ko bwaterana amona banyanyimbo nigo korachiko bokonekia buna babegwa na baibia bo banyare ko bago tangwa go taikirania ebikorwe byabo byobo ibikorengana nera niga tabire abantu abange na bamenyi anene korobe county eya West Pokot nigo babigatogo sembelia kwabo ase obotugi bwa ase obotugi bwenibo.
Kwa sababu wakati mnafahamiana kwa mipaka hapa, mnaharibu maendeleo yenu. Kwa sababu mtu mwingine mwenye hajafika hapa ambaye haelewi, akiambiwa aenda Nasolot anaona kama ameambiwa aenda kufa huko. Ndio sababu maendeleo hampati. Na nashukuru Mungu kwa sababu hii wizara sasa nimepewa. Mimi nitapambana na nyinyi watu wa kuoana hapa kwa hizi mipaka. Na sisemi mchezo. Mimi naitwa Askul, hiyo jina iko hii kwa hii corridor. Iko hapa hakuna simu ya isikia. Hiyo jina Askul ndio hii bado iko hapa.
Katika pande hii ya West Pokot peke yake katika muhula huu wa serikali tunashukuru kwamba tulipata milioni zaidi ya 800 kuanzia rehabilitation ya Takwel, irrigation ya Weiwei ambayo leo tumepokea equipment worth 200 million, ule mradi wa jana wa Lomudi ya 80 million, rehabilitation ya Takwel infrastructure 45 million na kazi mengine mengi.
Ofisi yake waziri akifanya kazi hivi, wale wenzangu tayari niko naongea na ule Nikor, tumeanza kuongea kama viongozi. Mimi nauliza pia waheshimiwa MCAs waanze kuongea. Sasa waziri akiwa pale kama ni waziri wa Kenya, tukishirikiana pamoja na yeye, mambo ya ukosefu wa amani itakuwa ni kitu ambayo sasa ni historia kwa yeye.
Na serikali ya Kenya nechikobage kwenda kubikemero bile ili kwaneke bunenyale kobe kwena na obosemia gochia ase abasai bunenchira ayemo yoko baigeria chimbwa abara chikoba abrai aneneas chi sector auche serikali naboigo isko yense ya Kenya gokwana nigo omwaziri kwichiko sali naboigo abasai kibichumba murukomen nekobaga gotebanga ngwetera asogosirwa okwabasai baranyale koba bakwegenderia subugimo bwabo bwa kirali tukoni gayakwana aya ase omayiga o Young Leadership Initiative oyunyara kobago kwenekiwa ime county ya Nairobi.
That we planned to come in before
by a teen mom and a father you've never met.
The good thing about this program is that it's all-rounded. It's not just leadership in terms of political leadership or the only answering the governance question. This program also answers economic question, and I am so pleased today that I have been able to go through the stands to see the alumni of this program who are coming up with innovative business ideas, who have improved on their creativity, who have established also thriving businesses.
We love to partner with them to provide them these leadership opportunities, whether it's these exchanges that go to the United States or the Regional Leadership Center where we've trained more than 1,800 people. We now have more than 6,000 Kenyan alumni that we've created an alumni association, hoping that they can use that association as a platform to continue the kind of transformational things they're doing, whether it's on climate change or community building, health.
Togoska motweni gobono ogo sangari wago seni gobono moseneta bwe county ya Makueni Dan Manzo nenda kobaga gwesokia nago tebabuna chise ye chigane tokoba chigo sangiriwa elyo komurusia bisemo gaba na usoma konyi bwomora ibwe serikali gashagwa tiri chiti nigo chire maminchane lichikogo kwana ime county ya Makueni Dan nigo anyare kobaga goteba baisa koligerelia boikiranu nigo mora ibwe Dr. William Ruto asachintunda chinyinge anyare kobaga kogenda maminchane katiba engana ebwendete erelitangani anyare kobaga kwerusia ase ABC.
Removal is also unconstitutional and should be challenged in the courts. There are no grounds of removal of Rigathi Gachagua as stipulated in the Constitution. If anyone has broken the Constitution and breached the Constitution many times, many more times than all of us and than Deputy President Gachagua, is Ruto himself. And therefore, if there is anyone to be impeached in this country, it is President Ruto. And I am very sure Kenyans who are very upset, they are going to impeach Ruto in the next election if the House does not impeach him. And therefore, as they prepare for impeachment of Gachagua, I am certainly, and 100%, there are no grounds. And I am very sure they will not get the 2 votes in both houses, the National Assembly and the Senate. So it is working futility. Instead of members of parliament working for Kenyans, allocating budget for Kenyans, making law which follows the Constitution, members of parliament who have disappointed Kenyans, who have disappointed Gen Zs, whose brains have been compromised and deleted, and there is only one brain working for them, the brain of William Samoei Ruto, whereby parliament is completely compromised. And then, we are, unfortunately, President Ruto is not applying his brain properly. He's not applying the constitution. No wonder he never supported the constitution during the referendum.
Okogendra kwene kiabuna okogendra kwene kiabuna chisei chioko morusia abisi omokonyi bomurai bwenserigathi Gachagua nigo chigendete ko bachigo ikeraniwa asama mocho ayo korengana negati yababunge kurase orogongo rwa Rift Valley batebire agenda tokoba ko mubwatania omokonyo ibomurai bwenserigathi Gachagua nokogendra ko orandia obogesa ku engana hiyo erema mincha amone katiba imeyense ya Kenya nigo banyara ko bakoneka abanyara ko bakwelga ni boikera nabo igomba chikoba go ikia omoswada oyo gosibwe bunge.
Tunafikiri ya kwamba sasa hatoshi sasa ukaa katika ile ofisi, wacha aende kando ndio sasa aweze kufanya vitisho yake akiwa kando, si kwamba anafanya vitisho bado akiwa msaidizi wa rais, because hiyo sasa si heshima. So tukaona sasa huyu labda aenda kichwa imeharibika ama sijui saa zingine imefika kiwango sasa yeye ameona tu kwamba hawezi kuendelea kukaa hiyo ofisi, so tutamsaidia sisi, tutamsaidia aondoke kwa ile ofisi, ndio sasa ile mambo ambayo anakusudia kufanya afanye kwa uhuru yake sasa huko kando.
Mlima ilikuweko tangu zamani, lakini yani umekauza wadi ya mlima kuwa wewe. Mimi nafikiri nataka tena huyu jamaa kwanza mimi nafikiri alichaguliwa wrongly, kwa maana alikuwa one time MP alawa kawa president angekuja graduate. Sasa kuanzia leo tusilete mtu yenye hajakuwa na hekima, amekosa hekima 100%. Wewe unatokea nasema usikuze hiki mlima, wewe ni deputy rais ya Kenya, usi mlima. Sasa unaona vile unajiloa, hata umekuwa kama mchumbe mdogo zaidi.
Hayo naro egati yalitwa kwaliganete kurwa semesa itema yo manchomo ligerye chinsesa toche bonobo tuko wakarangambia mna sokane kinga kwanyara ko bagosanga amona intwe amayaya na wigemero bali togenda ko bato kwaliganiria megata seni Kiandizi TV asebali bagenda ko bagutobate kurwa semitanda ito ko bakarangambia mno bego bali bagenda to ko babako ligerya Kiandizi TV kurwa chinga chebo boigo to ko bakaranga mbuya mono kegema Samoya kabiro nyara ko bakone kia chibichamirire chago cheira senchire wekera niga korokwa abigari nyanchama liane korokwa Josephat Messi na ko ganelie ho boligeri obuyana bego botuko botoreru tomerane litkoliangyo imeyemanye Jumatatu.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umuguzi.